slip.
How do you play this game again?
Shut up, Mason. Ready?
Oh!
Hey.
Mad dope fire.
I know, bro. Bro, so far, man. You got no idea, man.
Hey, bro.
Who the heck is that up there?
Definitely not me.
That's Will just Spider-Manning along.
Calm down.
Yeah, wait, what? Definitely hit you, Will.
Not trying to intimidate you guys, but I actually did track and field when I was 8.
Did you actually? Like, no
No.
joke? Haha, get back here.
Oh.
Gotcha.
Why are we spawning all the spikes?
That is no. Come on.
Yeah,
No!
Dip, I'm going wrong.
No!
That
No!
Like, what?
Hey guys, I got a video for a new idea. idea for a new video. Basically, we watched Kung Fu Panda 2,
Yes, I love it already.
and we analyze it
Kung Fu Panda 2.
and say every reason why it's the most amazing movie ever made.
I'm a stink.
I'm so bad at that bit. Will, wait up, Will.
I'm doing
Now.
Winner.
Oh, someone already won.
Hey, yeah. Thank you. Oh, I'm about to lag out, guys. Get ready.
I saw.
Oh gosh.
Holy crap!
Yep. What the heck? Can someone invite me, please?
Yeah, I got you, bro. I got you,
I'm going
bro.
to restart my Xbox, okay? So.
Okay.
just
No,
invite
no,
me
no,
when I
no,
turn it back
no.
on, okay?
Okay.
Oh no, those are great.
Oh, I hate this.
Hey, wait up there.
Wait, which way are you supposed to go?
This way?
Crap.
Oh no. Head. Ooh.
Oh,
what?
pathetic.
And oh.
Oh. Wait, what?
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 You were on the screen. It isn't fair.
Run like the wind bullseye.
Oh my gosh. Oh, nice one.
I don't like.
Oh,
these
nice
birds.
one.
There's so many crates.
Way to dodge those crates, guys.
Shut up.
Oh my. Where am I? I don't know where I'm going.
Oh, Blake.
Oh yes.
That was so hard to know what was going on.
New.
I feel like Spider-Man.
Oh my gosh!
Wait, where are we
Get back.
going?
Oh.
Oh, here.
Ah, nice one, Will.
I'm a beast, dude. Let's go.
You guys suck.
No, crap.
Yes!
No.
Stay alive. Wow, okay.
Bell Cantaloupe.
Cantaloupe. Cantaloupe.
Are you
All
serious?
positivity here.
That's wrong.
That's definitely right.
Fudge.
Cantaloupe is spelled C-A-N-T-A-L-O-U-P-E. Wondering if
Really?
after all these
Yeah,
years
mate.
you'd like to meet to go over
New.
everything. They
Oh my
say
gosh.
I'm supposed to heal ya,
Why are you
but I
singing?
need so much healing.
Shut up! It's beautiful.
Hello, can you hear me? I'm
Oh!
California dreaming about who we used to be when we were younger and free. I've forgotten how it felt before the world fell at our feet. There's such a difference between us and a million miles. Hey, Will, get ready for this. 1, 2, 3, go.
Oh, John Luke is so good at singing.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
What the heck is this? What is this spawn? No!
I can't get
We
up.
died for.
I went the wrong way.
Yes! Okay, well,
Whoa. What
that was
the
a nice
heck?
awkward silence.
I love awkward silences. They're my favorite.
Money.
We just need to make a
No,
video
you don't
about
make money
something
off
that's
of
like
views.
trending.
Fidget spinner trick shots.
No, I'm gonna title this video Fidget Spinners.
I was in the most YouTube Minecraft videos, so that just shows
I've been
that
in
I'm
all the
professional.
Minecraft videos. What are you talking about?
You've been in
John
every
Luca and
video,
Will.
okay? Enough. God,
John
we get
Luca
it, you're
and Will
cool.
as veterans.
About to drill
Oh, no.
Will.
Oh
Oh,
no.
no. Come on.
Oh, look who's
Good
frozen.
Prank, John Luca.
Yeah,
Oh, look
bro.
who's going through the shortcut.
Well,
Oh
he
my.
died.
Crap. Haha.
No, I just choked
Not
so
very
hard.
short now. Go, 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 go.
Oh gosh. Oh, watch out for those crates. Ah!
What?
Look at the way.
Oh! Oh!
I'm agitated. I'm extremely agitated right now.
It's okay, bruh. As long as we befriended in this hizzy from the Wizzy Tizzy.
It's in this hizzy.
No.
Bum, 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 bum.
Oh!
Mason, did you see Will glitching out too?
What? Oh, I'm playing Clash Royale right now.
Oh!
I hate this game.
Oh.
Yep, Mason, nice job.
Mason, pay attention. Oh gosh, no.
Yes, okay, so far so good. Oh my gosh. Why are we whispering? Why are we whispering? Kringle, I need
Okay,
you to
well,
well, into my microphone.
I love crates.
Yep, you know, it's because I'm just really good at this game.
Have you guys ever seen
Thank you,
Hercules in
Tom.
New York? Because that movie is amazing.
Nope.
It has Arnold Schwarzenegger as Hercules.
Oh,
And he
Will, we
goes
saw
to
that
New
at your
York.
house. I saw that at your house.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Yeah. And he goes to New York and he meets Pretzi the pretzel guy.
Yeah.
Pretty.
Wait, actually, no, we didn't see that at your house.
And he goes and plays like track games, like track sports, like shot put and all that.
Like running?
And he jumps like a million feet, but you don't really understand what's happening.